Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the cinematic dark angel photo using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the dark angel looks like, and I'm going to show you the prompt to create this photo. First of all, you can open up gemini.google.com or you can open up the Gemini app, and then you're going to use Nano banana feature. Okay, shown by this banana icon, and then you can upload your photo, and I'm just going to choose this photo. Click on open, and then you're going to add this prompt, and for the prompt I'll put it on the YouTube description. Okay, and then we just need to send this prompt and also the photo to the AI, and then Nano Banana will create dark angel photo for us. Wait guys, it's still loading. Make sure that you upload photo with clear face and also clear background, so the result will be better. Okay, done guys, and this is the result. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download icon. Okay, and that's all the way to create dark angel photo with AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.